How to manage post privacy settings on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage post privacy settings on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now. Now just click on your post like this one here, click on it, and then all you need to do, just click these three lines. And after that, click privacy settings. And as you see here, you can manage your post privacy settings. You can manage who can view your post and who can comment. And that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.